If you've been wondering how to cut a video in LearnWorlds, you're in the right place. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to get the job done, and you'll want to stick around until the end, because I'll also be revealing some alternative tools that might be better suited to your needs, including some with extended free trials. Let's jump straight into it. To begin, log into your LearnWorlds account and head over to the course where you want to edit your video. Once you're there, click on the Videos section. Now, here's where it gets a bit tricky. LearnWorlds does offer basic video editing tools, but they aren't as comprehensive as what you might find in more dedicated video editing platforms. Next thing you'll do is click on the video you want to cut. Once it's open, you'll see a simple timeline with the ability to trim the beginning and the end of the video. It's worth noting that these tools aren't designed for precise editing, so if you need to do more than just trim, you may find it limiting. You'll have to use another tool to cut out specific sections of the video before uploading it to LearnWorlds. The fourth thing, after selecting the points where you want to trim, you'll hit the Save button. This process is fairly simple, but if you need to make any fine adjustments, you'll be left wanting more. Now, the problem with LearnWorlds' native editing tools is that they're basic, and depending on the type of content you're creating, you might need more powerful editing options. If you're doing more intricate edits, such as cutting out specific parts of a video, adding effects, or fine-tuning audio, then LearnWorlds' functionality may fall short. You'll need to use third-party software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even something like DaVinci Resolve, which are much more robust for video editing. Next, let's talk about alternatives. If you need more advanced features, but still want something that integrates well with your course platform, you might want to try platforms like Teachable or Kajabi. These tools have slightly more sophisticated video features, and they're designed with online educators in mind. However, they too have their limitations, especially when compared to standalone video editing software. At this point, you're probably wondering which tool I would recommend. After using LearnWorlds, I'd suggest you check out a competitor that excels in video editing, Thinkific. Thinkific is an excellent choice for creators who want powerful video editing features and the ability to create seamless learning experiences. The editing tools in Thinkific are more flexible, and it offers integrations that allow you to edit and upload your videos easily. The last thing I'll mention is that through the link in the description, you can grab the best free trial available for Thinkific. Not only that, but you'll also get exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. It's a fantastic opportunity to dive into a better platform and make your course creation process easier. So, in conclusion, while LearnWorlds is great for course creation, it's not the best when it comes to cutting videos directly within the platform. If you want more control, I highly recommend you check out Thinkific for a better overall experience, and you get an exclusive free trial when you use our link. Happy editing!